It's your friendly neighborhood laser lady. If you're one of those people who has like 12 hobbies, they could say a little multi-passionate of a person, and everyone just keeps telling you to just pick one lane, you probably felt like you've been doing it wrong your whole life. But you know what? Screw those guys. The real problem was never you, it was your tools. Your many, many tools. There's no need to ever sacrifice your creativity. You just need a machine that does it all. And maybe a few new things, why not? Let's dive in. This video is sponsored by xTool. If you're watching the same videos I am, you've seen this multi-passionate creator thing everywhere lately. And it's not about having 12 hobbies or 30 or 100. It's about this. Every time you want to make something new, the answer shouldn't be another $700 machine in one corner of your garage next to the more expensive tool, which is on top of the last broken whatchamacallit and so on. If you like working with wood, leather, paper, acrylic, fake leather, felt, fabric, and more, you've probably got a different tool for like every single one of those, right? So here's the thing. Cricut owners know exactly what I'm talking about here. You buy it to make vinyl decals and t-shirts, and the second you want to engrave a wooden sign or cut a piece of real leather, you're kind of stuck because it only really does the one thing. We all know vinyl cutters are just the gateway machine to lasers anyway, so why don't we just start there? This is the xTool M2. Mine has two modes, the 10-watt diode laser that engraves and cuts wood, leather, acrylic, slate, and more, plus a full color inkjet print head that prints, and then you can switch back to the laser head and cut around your design. I love this the most. We got a laser for the engraving and cutting, bibbidi, a print head for the color, bobbidi. That's not two machines, it's just one, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Plus, there are oodles of attachments you can get to upgrade this baby, and who knows, they might even roll out some more. So let's start with the laser. Laser time. Obviously, I love the laser aspect, and not just because my parents named me Laser as a little bitty baby, but because that's the money maker. My name isn't actually Laser, by the way, but I do like to use that when I order coffee. They're always asking me, what's a good name? And I go, what is a good name? Laser. These bamboo cutting boards plus a cheese knife cost me just over $4 for this set. Engrave a little this or that, and now we've got at least a $20 product and probably more. I've been selling these for 22 bucks at in-person shows. A hilarious engraved pleather keychain that cost me 3 minutes of engraving time. Bam! That is another $5 in the bank. And I'm about to vend at a Comic-Con, so I've got to stock up on this sort of stuff. Everything about $10 and under is what is going to move the fastest from your table. But there will be other laser engraved wares being slung up and down that convention, so let's up the interest factor a little bit with color. Full color printing. Now your Cricut will cut your design, but you can't print on it. The M2 prints full color and then cuts around it. No need to line anything up, you just switch out the print head for the laser head, and that is literally it. If you've ever had a design in one program, print on one printer, and then cut out with a different machine while praying everything lines up, you know the feeling of, why is this so freaking hard? And this machine helps to end that. My last set of full color stud earrings were a hit at CatFest, so let's make more for Comic-Con. First, you just need to prime your wood with the spray that xTool has on hand so the ink doesn't bleed into the wood. It's very easy to do, and the prints turn out amazing. I like to include a little bit of an outline as a bleed line so the cutting works perfectly on the first try. After I glue on the backings and cure some UV resin over everything, that helps seal it in and makes these little earrings last forever. Also, I made some magnets. Easy, 2-minute project. And here's why this, as just a printer, is the coolest freaking thing. Here's a small tile. We can print on this with that same printer primer spray. After it is completely dried, it prints like a dream. Say it with me now. New product unlock. You can use this spray on wood, glass, metal, pretty much anything. Full color, perfect prints, high profit, super useful. Why modular machines are worth it. Now here's the thing I respect the most about this machine, and it's the part that actually speaks to us multi-passionate people. It's modular. Need a stronger laser? Get the 20-watt diode laser head. Want to print things? Well, boom, the print head, which is easily replaceable, and for how much you can print with it, super worth it. And what about the rotary attachment? Yep, of course we're going to want that. If they rolled out more modulars and attachments, you don't need a whole new machine, which is good for your studio space and your wallet. This machine grows with you instead of making you feel guilty for having like 12 or 500 interests. The multi-passionate money map. Now for the part nobody ever taught you. Being multi-passionate is a business superpower. You will never get stuck with being able to only make one thing. If something stops selling, make a brand new thing. Your new passion, let's make new things. It's a never-ending cycle, and you need to harness this amazing power. Every function on the M2 is a completely different revenue stream. One, personalized gifts. The laser is really good for this. Heck, the whole freaking machine is going to be able to make you a lifetime supply of these things. The highest margin, the fastest sale. Two, stickers and labels. Print and then cut, low ticket. They sell in packs, and these things are going to sell forever. I like to make them for promotional things like these stickers for my new cat-themed brand. I'll be handing these out like business cards at that Comic-Con. Number three, leather and paper goods are amazing with this laser. Premium positioning, premium price, and hot tip, the faux leather cuts like butter with this thing. Four, custom packaging and branded products. Printhead, this is the business-to-business store most crafters never open. This enables my wares to look super premium. The possibilities are endless, just like your many crafty passions. The money you actually save by not buying 4 machines is nice, but the real win is that you can test 4 products with just one investment. Most people buy one tool and get stuck in one lane and then quit. And you ain't no quitter, right? The problem was never that you had too many passions. It's that your tools kept making you feel guilty for having them. And maybe you've got a couple people who need to stop trying to suppress your creativity. It's okay to fire people in your life sometimes. Once you get good at shifting from product to problem solved, success isn't far behind. So don't forget to subscribe so you can get more insights into what, where, and how you can turn your laser into a money-making machine. And the xTool M2 is the machine that finally lets you chase all of it without having to choose which machine to invest in first. Plus, it's a really good price when it comes to lasers. Check out the link below so you can see that I'm not even joking around about that. I have far exceeded the price of this laser with the product sales I have been making with it. If this has saved you a few $100 and maybe some space in your garage, then drop a comment and tell me which craft you're gonna chase first. Wood, leather, paper, full color stickers. I'm gonna read every single one of them. If you wanna know more about how I made more than $700 worth of products in less than 24 hours with my M2 for a show called Cat Fest, then check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!